Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's solve today's hamster cipher code. Today's code is Satoshi. S A T O S H I. Okay, let's type Satoshi in this section in the wording of cipher. Okay, so first word is S. For this, we have to tap three times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got the S. The second word is A. For this, we have to tap and hold. Tap, hold. We got the A. The third word is T. For this, we have to tap. We have to hold one time. Okay, hold. We got the T. After this, the word is O. For this, we have to hold three times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got the O. After O, the word is S. For this, we have to tap three times. 1, 2, 3. We got the S. So the next word is S. We have to tap three times. 1, 2, 3. We got the S. After this, the next word is H. For this, we have to tap four times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the H. The last word is I. For this, we have to tap two times. 1 and 2. We got the I. Okay, take the prize. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you want the code, let me show you the whole code. Take the screenshot of this code. Thanks.